Hi students, today we are going to continue our topic trigonometry. We did yesterday some problems. We are going to do some more problems as like this. The first problem, find the value of cot of theta minus 13 pi by 2. Solution. This is consider cot of theta minus 13 pi by 2. This can be written as cot of minus get common 13 pi by 2 minus theta. When minus get common, minus term changing as plus, plus term changing as minus. This is, we have the formula cot of minus theta is minus cot 13 pi by 2 minus theta. Since cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Now, this is in the form of n into pi by 2 minus theta. This is simple principle. Understand? What is n value here? 13 odd. When n value is 13 odd, minus sign take as it is outside. Okay? Tan cot changes to tan. What is angle here? Theta. Let us see. N equal to 13 means 13th quadrant. Subtract some angle, nothing but must. This angle should lies in 13th quadrant only. 13th quadrant means dividing by 4. What is remainder? 1. First quadrant. First quadrant, this is positive. Same, already negative sign is there. Nothing but our answer is minus tan theta. Let us go for one more question. Question is, if tan 20 degrees equal to P, problem. Another problem. If tan 20 degrees equal to P, then prove that tan 610 degrees 610 plus tan 700 degrees all by tan 560 degrees tan 560 degrees minus tan 470 degrees tan 470 degrees equal to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. What is our question? If tan 20 degrees equal to pi, prove that tan 610 degrees plus tan 700 degrees by tan 560 degrees minus tan 470 degrees equal to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. So, listen, let us see the solution. How do we prove it? Take LHS part here. Solution. LHS. What is LHS? That one. Tan 610 degrees plus tan 700 degrees all by tan 560 degrees minus tan 470 degrees. Understand? Okay. Now this can be written as tan 610 degrees can be written as 7 into 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. 7 9 is 63. 630 minus 20, 610. Next, tan 700 degrees can be written as 8 into 90 minus 20 degrees. 8 9 is 72. 720 minus 720 minus here 20 degrees. 700 degrees. Okay. Next, this can be denominator can be taken as tan. Okay. 6 into 90. How much? 54. 540 plus 20. 560 minus tan 5 into 90. 450 plus 20. 470. We have converted total angles in terms of 20s. Why? Because here given tan 20 equal to P. Wherever if P will come, we should take that is replace it by P. Okay. Wherever tan 20 will come, we should replace it by P. Understand? As like this. Here we should apply the first principle. I have already told you in the previous class about the first principle. How do we use it? N into 90 plus or minus theta, or otherwise n into pi by 2 plus or minus theta is called first principle. Understand? Here this is in the form of n into 90 minus theta. What is n value here? 7, odd number. Tan changes to cot. Angle how much? 20 degrees. 7 means 7th quadrant minus some angle, nothing but 7th quadrant only. According to the 7th quadrant means which quadrant here? Dividing by 4. Remainder 3 means 3rd quadrant. In 3rd quadrant, tan function positive, result cot also positive. Next, second one, plus here n value 8, tan remains a tan, angle 20 degrees, 8th quadrant. This angle lies in 8th quadrant. 8th quadrant nothing but according to the dividing by 4 remainder 0. This angle lies in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant tan function negative. Take negative sign. Understand? Next, denominator. Here n value 6, tan remains tan, angle 20 degrees. Here 6 means 6th quadrant plus some angle means that angle goes to 7th quadrant. 7th quadrant nothing but 3rd. In 3rd quadrant tan function positive as it is. Result also positive. Understand? Next, here n value 5, tan changes to cot, angle 20 degrees. One more thing, here 5 means 5th quadrant plus adding some angle nothing but 5th quadrant goes to that angle goes to next quadrant, that is 6th quadrant. 6th quadrant means which quadrant? Dividing by 4, remainder to 2nd quadrant. In 2nd quadrant tan function negative, result also negative. Understand? Now let us see how to simplify the next part as like this. Listen. Cot 20, okay, minus tan 20 by tan 20 plus cot 20. But according to the question, what is given? Given tan 20 degrees equal to P. So we should convert total terms in terms of tan only, as like this. Cot 20 means we can write tan 20 minus tan 20 by tan 20. Cot 20 can be written as 1 by tan 20. Understand? We know the value of tan 20. How much? P. Put here. 1 by P minus P by P plus 1 by P. What is LCM in numerator? P. What is LCM in denominator? P. LCM P in numerator. What will come here? 1 minus P square. 1 minus P square by P. What is LCM in denominator? Take LCM in denominator. Okay. Numerator LCM is P. 1 minus P square. In denominator LCM is P. What will come? P square plus 1. What is cancelled? P and P get cancelled. It will be 1 minus P square by denominator P square plus 1 can be taken as 1 plus P square. Understand? Let us see one more problem in the same way. How do we do the another question? Our question is, okay, like this. Next question. Prove that the next question. Prove that problem. Next problem. Okay. Next, prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta minus 1 equals to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equals to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. We are going to prove this one. Understand? As like this. Listen. Okay. Here take LHS part here also. Again LHS part. LHS tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. We have a relation between tan and cot. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here in numerator, instead of 1, we should take this relation. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 value. 1 means sec square theta minus tan square theta. Just take 1 in numerator enough. In denominator, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. Now our continuation is as like this. Okay. Numerator tan theta plus sec theta Okay, minus, this is in the form of a square minus b square, nothing but we can write sec theta plus tan theta into a plus b into a minus b, sec theta minus tan theta, all by denominator tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Here sec theta plus tan theta plus sec theta same, take common. Here tan theta plus sec theta get common. What will come here? Total get common means 1 only. Here the remaining part sec theta minus tan theta, denominator what is it? Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Next, tan theta plus sec theta into, here numerator 1, minus into plus, minus sec theta, minus into minus plus tan theta. Open the bracket, minus sec theta plus tan theta, denominator tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Here tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 in numerator, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 in denominator get cancelled. What is remaining? Tan theta plus sec theta. Convert it into sin and cos terms as like this. We can get the required result. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta nothing but, sec theta nothing but 1 by cos theta. What is LCM? Cos theta LCM. What will come here? Sin theta plus 1 in numerator. This is nothing but 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. This is our required result. Understand? Okay, right.